Hendersonville will close off the main street to cars this coming weekend to encourage outdoor dining and some other activities. Open Streets Weekend starts Friday evening and then runs through Sunday. Eateries will offer outside table service, and retailers can set up decorations and demonstrations and displays outside. Hendersonville City Council approved the idea as a way to increase downtown foot traffic.
I think that there could be positives and negatives. I think each business has their own needs, so it'll be interesting to see which way that goes. But we're really looking forward to being able to reach more people, see more people, so we're hoping that we get to benefit from that.
Members of a gym in Arden are gathering for in-person workouts while following the governor's orders. F45 Training South Asheville is hosting an outdoor boot camp. At the start of the pandemic, the gym turned to Zoom, hosting workouts virtually. Fitness trainers say it was doable, but nothing beats sweating alongside your fitness family.
When we heard that we can have a group of 25 outside, we were like, well, let's take it out to the parking lot. We had a lot of space out here.
And participants are 6 feet apart and classes are capped at 25 people. Anyone interested in trying the outdoor boot camp can contact F45.
You can find signs like this one all throughout downtown now. It's part of the city's new curbside pickup zone program to help support local restaurants and retailers. Drive up and down Biltmore Avenue in Asheville and you'll slowly see signs of reopening, or in some cases, flags.
We have 3 outside tables. We're really only doing to-go business right now. We'll soon start delivery. And if someone wants to eat outside, they can.
Kevin Westmoreland owns Chestnut. He says the city's been helpful to restaurant owners through all of this.
They've been working as best they can.
Just recently putting up one of these curbside pickup signs right outside.
They actually, I guess they pulled the meters. Yeah, they pulled the meter there. I just realized that.
This is to support dedicated spaces for retail to go and also restaurant takeout. We have a lot of interest from the community.
Stephanie Dahl works for the city and says they're working on a number of things to help keep these businesses going.
I think in the next 30 days, you'll see some soft closures of different streets and sidewalk areas in downtown to help support public health and safety.
Giving struggling owners more options.
It's been all right, but I'd rather see the rest of my competitors open up and start getting a feel for the old Asheville.
Many are still playing it safe, relying on takeout and delivery services and taking advantage of outdoor seating if they can.
We're worried about our future economically, and we're worried about Asheville economically.
There's a little bit of room here, and really it's, I guess, if they change the regulations to give us a little more room, that would be great.
Beginning the week of June 1st, businesses can also request to use public space to expand their operations.
County officials said today 15 of Buncombe's 20 fatalities are from long-term care facilities. News 13's Caitlin Penner followed the live stream of Buncombe County's press conference today, where officials say their work is not done.
County officials say to date 7,000 people have been tested for the coronavirus in Buncombe County. 200 people have been tested at those community testing sites. Officials say as more reopening happens, it's so important to remember those 3 W's: to wash your hands, wear a face covering, and wait 6 feet apart from other people. Buncombe County officials say they are fighting COVID-19 outbreaks at 4 long-term care facilities.
During outbreaks, our guidance and what these facilities have been doing is frequent testing of all residents and staff.
Those facilities are Aston Park Healthcare Center, Stone Creek Health and Rehabilitation, Carolina Pines, and Deerfield Episcopal Retirement Community. Aston Park has had 13 deaths. Deerfield has had 1 death. Officials say 43% of the county's COVID-19 cases are from long-term care facilities. Dr. Mullendorf says communicable disease nurses are in daily contact with them.
Interestingly, the patients that were hospitalized were the staff members of these facilities and not the residents.
Mission leaders say the outbreaks led to the hospital hitting its peak of COVID-19 patients last week. At the same time, a cluster of Mission's own staff from a pulmonary unit tested positive for COVID-19.
We identified 6 members of our staff who were actually positive for this illness.
Dr. William Hathaway says all of the staff from the unit have been tested. 48 came back negative, 7 are pending.
We found that there was no evidence of risk to patients, that all contacts with patients occurred in fully protected gear.
Dr. Hathaway says there are currently 8 people being treated for the coronavirus at Mission. That is up from their average of 2 to 6 COVID-19 patients.
And I think reflects a real increase in the prevalence of the disease in our community.